Nobody understands me more than you do, and for that, I am truly grateful. So a little bit of wind isn't going to stop me from getting a Dr. Pepper. Didn't take me long to drink it. Anyway, I think I better get home before it gets too windy out here. Got a lot of videos to catch up on. Well, at least I'm only 5 days behind in the subscriptions. Might take a while because, you know, just to get through every single video, but I'm gonna do it. Determined to get through every single video that's in my video feed before the end of the day. Holy cow on a stick! Wow. 3 hours later, finally done, caught up. All of my subscriptions in my video feed are not there anymore. So I'm happy. And I don't have any Dr. Pepper. So I gotta drink this yucky tap water. Yeah, that's a bit better. It's like water with protein shake crystal stuff in it. I don't know. It's supposed to be good for you. Hopefully it helps me lose weight. I don't know. Trying everything. Let's see. It doesn't look like it's as windy anymore. But then again, the other trees are moving around pretty good, so maybe it is still windy out there. In any case, I'm not going back outside for a while because I don't know, that wind is just too much.